This was the last judgment I'm handing down myself. I will now hand over to the Deputy Chief Justice.
Ukwakwazelelwe mahlangothi wonke namhlanje ekhotho yezomthetho sisekelo umengameli wamajaji othatha umhlala phasi ekupheleni kwenyanga le ijaji uRaymond Zondo uthokoza amaSewula Afrika ngomusa wawo.
So we're going to prioritize service delivery. We are going to ensure that we deploy officials and public representatives so that they are equal to the task.
Ihlangano angayithi izoqinisekisa bona iqalondanzi layo iba kufikiswa kwezenzelwa emphakathini kanti imphathimandla ezingasebenzi ngefanelo izoziqotsha. Itsho lokhu ngemva kwembizo yamalanga amabili ibambele eMelo. Siyanamukela endabeni zesindebele lapha ku-SABC1 akwande sitshaba sekosi. Umengameli wamajaji uChief Justice Raymond Zondo uzokubeka phasi indambo ngesiqinisekiso sokuthi umsebenzi wekomishini ephenya ngensolo zokugolwa kwelawulo lombuso wenziwe nanyana ungakapheli nje. Lokhu kunjengombana umphathi wephiko lezokuthuthiswa komphakathi nesikhulu sezemthetho bamqinisekise bona bazoqinisekisa ubulungiswa ngehlangothini lombiko. Inthembiso lezi zenziwe emhlanganweni okhethekileko bewuhlezi ekhotho yezomthetho sisekelo wokuthokoza imisebenzi emihle kaZondo.
Uthokozwe mahlangothi wonke wekhotho yezomthetho sisekelo egcwele amagqwetha umengameli wamajaji uChief Justice Raymond Zondo owethule inkulumo yakhe yokugcina njengomana beka phasi nje. Njengomana uZondo agidinga ukusebenza pheze iminyaka e30 nje hlangana neminye imisebenzi yakhe ekhamba phambili kukuba ngusihlalo wekomishini ephenya ukugolwa kwelawulo lombuso. uZondo uzokuphuma esikhundleni sakhe ngaphandle kokuthi kuthuthiswe umuntu nanyana umbiko wekomishini esele uphumile nje. Nanyana kunjalo umsebenzi awukapheli.
Chief Justice, I would like you to retire with the assurance that the real impact of the work of the commission will be actually felt, that we will have those responsible for the devastation of state capture face justice.
uZondo bekasola lila ngobuthaka nokusetshenziswa kwemphakamiso ezinye zekomishini ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ukugolwa kwelawulo lombuso angeze kusavusa ihloko eSouth Africa. uSpeaker weParliament ngalindlela ngoZondo.
Justice Zondo, you are very vocal about what you regarded as Parliament's failures in the exercise of its oversight responsibility, particularly regarding executive action. I want to assure you, and also the justices present here, that one of the priority areas of the 7th Parliament will be the implementation of the State Captures Commission recommendations, coupled with the strengthening and frequent interactions between the Parliament and the institutions supporting democracy.
uZondo uthokoze isekelo lamaSouth Africa wazakalisa nethemba sese.
Is my hope. Mechanisms will be put in place to make sure that we never have a repeat of state capture.
uChief Justice Raymond Zondo uzokubeka phasi ngokusemthethweni ekupheleni kwenyanga le kanti indambo zizokuthathwa ngumma wokthoma ukuba ngumengameli wamajaji eSouth Africa pha uMandisa Maya.
Uhulumeni we-ANC eMpumalanga uthi ukuthuthukiswa kwefundo zempilo zevakatsho obukelo izenzelwa nokuthayela kwemisebenzi hlangana nokhunye kuzokuba iqalondanzi. Hlangano le ibambe imbizo yesifunda yamalanga amabili eMelo. ANC yafumana amavoti ama51 ekhethweni lamhlapha nje ngemva kokuloba isekelo elikhulu kabanye bomasipalata.
Inkulu ze-ANC eMpumalanga zihlanganisa inhloko ekhetho lamhlapha. Hlangano lelinga indlela yokuvika indonga zenhlangano eziphikisako umkhonto wesizwe party iEFF neDA zibonakala zigalela mlibe. iANC kuyiphathisa ihloko ebuhlungu ukuthi abomasipalata abasithandathu esifundeni esi bavezwe njengabangasebenzi kuhle. Ukungabi nenembo lepolitiki elikorolako kuvezwe njengonobangela walokhu. iANC ithembisa ukuphumelelisa imithembiso eyazenza ngesikhathi sekhetho.
So we're going to prioritize service delivery. We are going to ensure that we deploy officials and public representatives equal to the task.
I-ANC ivezile nokuthi kuzokuba namajuguluko emphathimandleni zayo kungasikade.
In a province where a male premier is appointed, on his executive we must apply 60-40 principle.
Amalunga wekomiti ye-ANC aphetheke elizweni athunyelwe esifundeni esi athi imphumela yekhetho yatshengisa bona ihlangano le kufuze irorobhe.
Are ruling this province with 51%, which is something that we have never thought will happen, and we would want to see ourselves going back to 70-75%, and we can only do that if we renew the organization.
Ikusasa le-ANC empumalanga laziwa. Ihlangano le ithi laba ababekwe enkhundleni nabangahlomba ukwenza into ebonakalako bazokususwa enkhundleni ezo.
Lithuliselwe ngomhla ka-3 kuKhukhulamungu ekhotho ephakemeko yeTjingalanga Kapa icala lamalunga weParlamente ali-10 we-MK Party athijila ukuqotshwa kwawo ehlanganweni le. Amalunga la afuna nencwadi yekhotho ekhandela ukufundiswa kwamalunga amatsha wehlangano. Kanti imhlolo yekhotho iveza nokuthi amalunga la aqotshelwe ukuthi kuvuleke isikhundla sesekela likaMengameli walokha we-EFF uFloyd Shivambu kunye namanye amalunga ayo ukujoyina i-MK Party. IParliament ithi inkhundla ezivulekileko zizokuvalwa nakuphethwa icala.
Ikhotho ephakemeko yeTjingalanga Kapa ilalele kafitshazana isibawo esihabako samalunga aqotshiweko e-MK Party namhlanje ekuseni. Kanti amalunga ali-10 we-MK Party athi batsho aqotshwe ezindlini zamalunga weParlamente ngomvulo. Ngemva kwalokho avunyelwa bona abuye ngemva kobana kungenelela amagcwetha. Ngale kwalokho bathi inyanga le babhadela inkulungwane ezili-12 zamaranda i-12,000 rands esikhundleni sokubana babhadela inkulungwane ezili-102 zamaranda i-102,000 rands.
They are seeking for setting aside and reviewing of their termination from the MK Party. Today we were in court for an urgent interdict, interdicting the swearing in of the incoming members in Parliament.
Amalunga aqotshiweko la athi batsho akhange kukhulunyiswane nawe begodu akhange kulandelwe ikambiso efaneleko nakaqotshwako.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ngayo indaba le nakumbona ukhelandela mbukeli.
Iqembu lezepolitiki elikhona kuyapheka kuyathulula kuqala nge-MK.
Into errong lento yenziwa e-MK leyo khipha abantu eParliament sebafakile for abanye abantu abafika ngokuthi banamagama amakhulu bayaziwa.
Injalo ke into inikhoma ngokufuna ukulaya abanye abantu. Ligcina senilwa lodwa.
That's why abantu befuna ukuba zi-politician babe zi-members of Parliament. Eyinintsi imali eholwayo.
Basafuna imali engaphezulu lokho khona abantu abangasebenzi sina singayitholi leyo mali cha abantu bayadlala ngabavoti bakwethu.
We mame basezokhala kwi-MK kusezoliwa waya lapha ya kaloku ubaba omncane umsholozi njobe engangenanga eParliament akaholi manje le mali zabo zizongena yena aziholise yena bese abanika i-change.
i-MK ibhalele kumuntu lo ayithomile ngomkhathi.
Sihle kakhulu isinqumo esithathwe amalungu eqembu ele-MK Party ukuthi asukume alwele ilungelo lawo lokuxhashazwa.
Wonke umuntu unelungelo lokukhalazela lokho asuke akufuna ngendlela kodwa efanelekile. Engicabanga ukuthi nawo amalungu e-MK anamalungelo alokho akwenzayo.
Ilungelo labo ukukhalaza xa kukho into abangayiqondiyo.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Amaphandle ajame imjeje ngaphandle kwama-ofisi womnyango wendaba zangekhaya eseMarabastad ePitori athi alimele ngesehlakalo sokugadangana esenzeke izolo kwabhubha umuntu munye kwalimala abangaphezulu kwama-20. Amapholisa aphenya isehlakalo lesi. Amaphandle avela emazweni we-Afrika athi sekuzinyanga afuna amaphepha okukhoseliswa. Kanti-ke batsho ukuthi bawathole msinya kufanele bafumbathise ezinye inkulu. Njenganje baba uhulumende wekhethu ukuthi abasize.
I-ofisi lomnyango wendaba zangekhaya eliseMarabastad ngelinye lama-ofisi amahlanu welizwile asiza abaphalali kunye nalabo abafuna ukukhoseliswa. Amalanga eveke ahlukaniswe ngokusiza izakhamuzi zelizwe elithileko. abaphalali bathoma ukubamba umjeje ngamasa beliyokuchinga bangangena ngemasangweni office elisiza abaphalali akunakuthi bangaphuma beyokufuna ukuya ngethunjini namkha ukususa ukoma abantu abathengisako babeqisela ngedrata.
What I see today when I come here, when they enter all the foreigners and newcomers, they are disturbed and they are beaten like nobody business. Some are they are using business on them, they are stealing, they are doing such things. And the second one, when they enter, there is no way to come out to buy something for it.
I am here in South Africa since 2016, but still I'm not getting papers. Every 3 months I'm coming to here. Every 3 months when I come here, he asks me money. And every 3 months I'm going to inside, every security asking money.
Police can confirm that 1 person died and more than 20 others sustained injuries and were taken to hospital following a stampede at one of the government buildings in Pretoria on Tuesday, the 20th of August. Police have since opened an inquest docket for investigation.
Nakusenjalo, ihlangano yamaphandle i-African Diaspora Forum itidanile ngokubhubha komunye wabaphalali.
The Africa Diaspora Forum calls on the South African authorities to conduct an immediate and comprehensive investigation into this incident, addressing not only the causes of the stampede, but also the broader systematic issues plaguing refugee reception centers.
Iphiko lendaba le-SABC lizamile ukufumana umnyango wendaba zangekhaya ukuzwa bona uthini ngesehlakalo lesi, kodwa akhange utholakale ukuthi uphefumule ngendaba le.
Nasibuya Ndolo.
I've seen the rate of unemployment which is above 54.3, which is so scary.
Isibalo esiphezulu sabantu abangasebenziwe esifundeni seTlhagwini Njengalanga. Sisaraga nendaba zaSindebele nazi kuphundile uyazifumana ku Facebook, ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Indaba ilandela kule imumethe inthombe ezihlahlathisa umzimba sibawa benhliziyo ezibuthakathaka bangabukeli. Ababelethi, abotitshere nabaholi bomphakathi basele bathwele imkhono ehloko ngemva kokubana kuvele ivideo eveza ukutheliswa kwabafundi eLimpopo ngeveke pheleleko. Ivideo egadangiswe ngeselfone le iveza umfundi abetha abanye abafundi afunda nabo abasola ngokumthathela intombi. Indaba le bekuyindaba ekhulunywako enkundleni zokuthintana. Ivideo le ithethwe esikolweni samabanga aphezulu iSinokhani Hamagawu hlanu kweLouis Trichards emvekeni ezimbalwa ezidlulileko.
Ababelethi namalunga omkhandlo ongamela isikolo bathi kuncane ukuvezwa ivideo gegako lem. Bathi batsho minyaka kubonakala izenzo zokukhahlumeza nepi esikolweni esimi. Ngokuya kwababelethi babafundi ababongazimbi ibhalile imizamo yokulinga ukulwisana nezenzo ezimi. Bathi abantwana babo balimele engqondweni ngokutheliswa.
I felt very much saddened. I felt very much painful, and I didn't know what can I do to deal with such kind of a situation. You know, it is very much hard to see your son being hit this way or being beaten that way.
Ababiki indaba bethu bathena basesesikolweni lesi kwaqophuka iphi khona apho. Isehlakalo lesi senzeke ngemva koba nayo ilunga lomphakathi lingene emasangweni wesikolo. Thiwa bachol fikela bethu umfundi kuthiwa uthelisa umntwana lo. Isehlakalo lesi senzeke ngesikhathi sokudla. Amalunga omkhandlo ongamela isikolo akhola bona nangababelani bangabambisana basebenzisane zingaqedwa izenzo zokuthelisa. Umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo uthi usaphenya ngendaba lemi.
Kunokuthonyeka okukhulu ngokukhuphuka kwesibalo sabantu abangasebenzi kwesifundeni seTlhagwini Njengalanga. Kanti isifundisi sebujameni bokuthoma elizweni lonke ngesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abangasebenziko. Ngokutsho kombiko wamvanje wehlolombono yabasebenzi eyenziwe eliziko lembalobalo, isibalo sabangasebenzi kusikhuphuke nge-0.6% ukusuka ku-53.6% ekoteni yokuthoma yomnyaka lo ukuya ku-54.2% ekoteni yesibili.
Isifunde sinesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abangasebenziki elizweni nakufaka hlangana nalabo esele baphelelwe lithemba lokufaka imbawo zemisebenzi. Isifundesi sinabantu abaningi abangasebenzi kunalabo abasebenzako. Ngokutsho kwesazi kezomnotho eUniversity yeNorthwest uGisilema uthi lokhu kubangwa ngokuthi amakoro anomnotho esifundenisi akaqatshi abantu abaningi.
This high unemployment is as the result of the nature of the province. Northwest province is mostly agricultural, mining, and a bit of tourism. And this industry do not really employ many people. We do not have many industries like a production industry whereby they can employ many people, or service industry where many people can be employed.
Nanyana kunjalo uhulumende wesifunda ukhuthaza laba abangasebenziko ukuthi bangapheli ithemba.
We'll be able to improve. Remember, we also have the agreements that countries, and that is why we are confident that with the commitments that came from the investors from all points, we are going to make it, and our people must not lose hope.
Ukuragela phambili kokukhuphuka kwesibalo sabantu abangasebenziki esifundenesi kuthusa abafundi ekufanele bathoma ukusebenza maduze nje nabaqeda imfundo zabo. Kulethe ukuthwenyeka ebafundini ekufanele bathoma ukusebenza msinyazana.
I've seen the rate of unemployment which is above 54% in our country, which is so scary.
It is quite troubling to have the high percentages of unemployment, because sometimes it's difficult when it comes to economic development.
Uma uthi uhulumende wesifunda kufanele avuselele amakoro wezobukhwari nezevakatshobukelo benzi balise ukuthembela ekorweni yezokulima neyezokumayina kwaphela.
Intengo echuguluko yeSouth Africa yehlile kanti lokhu kutsho ukuthi ichidele eduze nenembo yebulungelo mali yeSouth Africa yokuthi ifike emaphesentini amathathu kuye ka-6.
Kuyathoma ukuthi intengo echuguluko yehle kangaka eminyakeni emithathu. Intengo yokudla isuke ku 4.1% ngomgwengweni yayohlala ku 3.9% ngovela bahlinze. Nanyana kunjalo intengo yobrotho nezidlo zekuseni ibonakala ikhuphukile. Intengo yenthuthi yehle nge 4.2% ngomgwengweni isuka ku 5.5% enyangeni edluleko. Kanti intengo yembaseli yona yehle nge 1 rand 5 cents ngenyanga epheleleko, kwathi diesel yehle nge 30 cents iliter. I-SABC ikhulumisene nabahlali beJohannesburg ngokuthi baphila njani izinto nasele zibiza kangaka.
I don't want to lie to you, ne? The way in which things are so expensive, ne? The food is very expensive. As I've said, petrol it's costing us a lot. It goes up, it goes down now. But when it goes up, it goes triple times. So you can see that it's not helping us.
We watch how we spend, we have to watch how we consume utilities, and well, I pray it gets better.
Intengo echuguluke phasi ngendlela engakalindelekile ingenza bona kukhuphuke amathuba webulungelo mali leSouth Africa ukuthi iphungule imali inzalo eyiboleka imbhanka. Lokho ke kungathula abathenga abanengi umthwalo emahlombe.
Gives good indication that the South African Reserve Bank may well be on track to cut interest rates by 25 basis points in September. This would be the first interest rate cut this year and comes on the back of a moderation in food price inflation and fuel price inflation as well.
Abosomnotho bathi ukwehla kwentengo echuguluke ephasini lonke, ukuqina kwentengo yeoli kunye nokuqina kweranda ngikho kuzokusekela ukwehla kwentengo echuguluko nonyaka nje.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali, iranda lehlile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje asihlole ngekwekwezini. Akwande sibu, ngiziphi ezikhamba phambili namhlanje?
Akwande Thandeka silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya kungolosithathu namhlanje sinehlelo elikhethekileko siyokhulumisana nosomkhandlu otsheje zokuthuthukiswa kwehlala kuhle yesitjhaba esifundeni seMpumalanga ekuthomeni kwenyanga le wethula ikulumo yokuvotelwa kwesabelo semali sizokhuluma ke ngayo na ikulumo le sizongenelela phezulu kwayo ke nomlaleli siyomnikela ithuba lokubana ngasidosela umtato asithumele iphimbo eligadangisiweko onjalo na ku Facebook na ku TikTok lihlelo ke elikhethekileko namhlanje sithokoza ithuba.
Uthokoze thina Lotshani ekhaya mbukeli ke siqalele msinyazana ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu nakya lapha ke sithola amathuba wezulu alinganisela ku 60% lapha ngeCebhe chingelele ngale ngeDurban afike khona ke nge30% kusasa kazi ke asabonakala eCebhe nge 60% kuthi ke ukuchinga ngale ke ngePumalanga abonakale lapha nge30% iPumalanga nenaga yeSouth Africa sithole lapha isilemukisa sivela kwaSouth African Weather Services kunomoya onamandla ukusuka eCape Town ukuza ngapha ke ngendawo elingePumalanga ngaleke ngakuboDurban nakusasa ke kusesenjalo ngomoya onamandla obanga ukuthi ke lapha ngaba nelwandle elibukhali ukusuka lapha ke eCebhe ukufika ngaleke ngakuboDurban lapha iPulukwane sibonakala ikhonakalo yomlilo wemango ke sicalele msinyazana amazinga wokuchisa iGauteng ibonakala ifuthumele noma izakulala ivuke imakhaza nje sizokuchinga lapha ke esifundeni sangale ngeLimpopo sokubona ukuthi ngakhani sona ke sinjani sibona lapha ke noma kuthoma kupholile lapha ezanini phelela ngokufuthumala ePhalabura nge25 iMusina nge29 iliphalale ke yona ke yachisa nge32 iMpumalanga ibonakala lapha ke ifuthumele endaweni zaku Middelburg kanti ke ngeMbombela sibona lapha ke kupholile endaweni ke zangale ngaKwaZulu Natal sibonile kuchidela amakhaza kanti ke nendaweni zangale ke ngePumalanga Kapa kumakhaza abantu ke bambathe bafuthumele kuleso sifunda sakubonana godi ngesikhathi esilandelayo Tiro
Indaba ezikhona kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako ukuthula kwande sitshaba sekosi